Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's beginner friendly tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create and edit a website using the AI website builder from Hostinger in 2026, step by step. No coding, no design skills needed. By the end, you'll have a fully functional website created with AI and customized to your needs. Let's get started. Step 1, sign up or sign in and access the AI builder. Go to hostinger.com and choose a hosting plan, right? By just hitting the pricing here, right? And click create new website after choosing the plan. Okay, this tool will generate your entire site automatically. Okay, you can create up to 50 websites, right? 50 gigabyte of world's fastest NVMe storage, 5 mailboxes per website, an AI agent for WordPress, and enjoy maximum website speed with free CDN. Now, describe your website. So let me go ahead to my account because I already logged in. Right. Wait for a few moments. Go to domains. Create, or excuse me, you can use domain generator here to describe your new website. Right, and describe your website. Now the AI will ask you for details like enter website type, business, portfolio, blog, business name, short description. Example: fitness coaching website for beginners with online programs. The better your input, the better the AI results. Right? And choose the design in the style. Next, select color scheme, choose font, pick layout style. Keep it simple and clean. Alright? And step 4, generate your website. And once you hit generate website, you're going to be able to buy a domain and create your website. In a few seconds, the AI will generate homepage, sections, images, text. You now have a complete website installed. Or you can ask the AI here to create a website for you, right? So, yeah. Register a new domain, start domain transfer, etc. Alright. Step 5, open the editor. Once generated, click edit website inside your domains. Inside the editor, you can modify text, replace images, adjust layout. Everything is drag and drop, like Canva. Step 6, edit text in context. To customize, click any text, replace it with your own. Update headline, about section, services. Make it personal and clear. And step 7, replace images. Click on images, upload your own, or use stock images from Hostinger. Use high quality visuals. You can add and remove sections, excuse me. To customize layout, you can click add section, choose hero, features, testimonials, contact. Build your page structure easily. Alright? And you can customize design inside the editor. Change colors, adjust fonts, modify spacing, keep branding consistent. And you can add pages to expand your site. You can open pages menu, click add page. You can add about, services, contact. More pages means more professional site. And you can connect your domain. You can go live now by going to the domains, right? Basically, and connect your own domain, right? Example, yoursite.com. Once you buy, of course, the domain and everything, right? And you can optimize for mobile. Switch to mobile view inside your website. Adjust layout, fix spacing, resize text. Most users are using mobile, right? And you can add SEO basics to rank on search engines, like add page titles, write meta descriptions, use keywords. Helps your site get traffic. And you can preview your website. Before publishing, check all pages, test navigation, fix errors. Always review before going live and publish your website. Your AI generated website is now live. Right? Best use cases: you can build business websites, portfolios, landing pages, blogs. So keep design simple, focus on clear message, use strong headlines, add call to action buttons, update content regularly. Avoid leaving AI text unchanged, poor quality images, overloading with sections, ignoring mobile design, no clear goal. So just to rewind, open Hostinger, use AI Builder, edit content, add pages, connect domain, and publish. You're done. Creating a website with the AI Builder from Hostinger in 2026 is one of the fastest ways to get online. In just a few minutes, you can go from idea to live website without technical skills. Focus on clear content, clean design, strong purpose. That's how you turn a simple AI generated site into something professional and effective. So consider liking this video, subscribing. Until next time, see you.